chart-topping British culture icon and an LGBT community icon. Adele is an English singer and a songwriter whose estimated net worth is in tens of millions. The British superstar is among the most affluent artists in the world, best-selling, most influential woman, and just recently she made it to the list of Britain's wealthiest female musicians, a list which is denominated by veteran rocker. Early life. She is the daughter of Mark Evans and Penny Adkins. Adele's mother gave birth to Adele in 1988 in London. Adele was raised up by her mother since the dad abandoned the family when Adele was just 2 years old. Penny Adkins used to work as a furniture maker and also an event organizer. Adele was not in love with books so much. No wonder in her childhood she spent most of her time singing. When she came of age to go to school, she joined Brit School for Performing Arts and Technology in Croydon, which she credited for nurturing her talent. Today, Adele is an icon for the LGBT community. She is a married woman, and the lucky man is none other but old Etonian Simon Noki, whom she had been dating since 2011. The couple has a son who was born in October, and currently they live in East Grinstead. Age, height and weight. Being born on 5 May 1988, Adele is 33 years old. As of today's date, 12th October 2021. Her height is 1.75 meter tall and her weight is 55 kg in kilograms. Career. Adele's career into music was entitled by one of her friends who posted a demo of a song she recorded by MySpace, which turned to be a hit, and that made her get to be noticed by Excel Recording boss, who signed her up in 2006. Her music breakthrough song was a Hometown Glory, which she released in 2007. Adele debut album titled 19 was released 2008, and it was commercially very successful. The album made her win several awards, and very positive production about her future were for Zine, i.e. the Billboard magazine predicted that Adele has the capacity to be among the most respected international artists. Awards and achievements. Adele is one of the most awarded musical artists on earth. Some of her awards are 4 BBC Music Awards, 18 Billboard Music Awards, 10 BMI London Awards, 9 Brit Awards, 15 Grammy Awards, 11 Guinness World Record, among others. In total, Adele has won 147 awards and has been received 301 nomination. Net worth and salary of Adil in 2021. As of October 2021, Adil net worth currently is $220 million. She has made such a fortune just from the sale of music and money earned from concerts. She does not do brand endorsements since, according to her, that undermines artist integrity. In 2017, Adil was named among the highest earning artists as she took home $69 million. When she referred to as the greatest UK female artist all time and one of the most popular and influential artists, that is because she has been very successful in her music career. Adil's net worth, which has been made through the sale of music and concerts alone, just tells you how great she is.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is